Hi there, friends. Meet Mia. She's just like you. Today we're going to follow Mia through her day and learn all about her daily routine. Are you ready? Let's go! Every morning, Mia starts her day by waking up. She stretches her arms and says, "Good morning, world!" Then she hops out of bed and gets ready for the day. First, Mia brushes her teeth to keep them shiny and clean. Brush, brush, brush. She makes sure to brush for 2 whole minutes. Can you brush your teeth like Mia? Next, Mia washes her face and combs her hair. She wants to look neat and tidy for the day ahead. Now it's time for breakfast. Mia eats a yummy meal with her family. She has fruits, cereal, and milk to give her energy for the day. What's your favorite breakfast food? After breakfast, Mia gets ready for school. She puts on her shoes and grabs her backpack. Off she goes to learn and play with her friends. At school, Mia has so much fun. She sings songs, learns new things, and plays with her friends. School is a great place to grow and explore. After learning, it's time for recess. Mia loves running, jumping, and playing outside. Exercise helps her stay strong and happy. After school, Mia eats a healthy lunch with her family. She enjoys her favorite foods and chats about her day. Yum, yum. After lunch, Mia takes a little nap to rest her body and mind. Naps help her feel refreshed and ready for more fun. After her nap, Mia plays with her toys. She loves building towers, drawing pictures, and using her imagination. What do you like to play with? In the evening, Mia helps her family get ready for dinner. She sets the table and talks about her day. Teamwork makes everything more fun. After dinner, it's bath time. Mia loves playing with bubbles and her rubber ducks. Bath time is a great way to relax and get clean before bed. Before bed, Mia puts on her cozy pajamas and brushes her teeth again. She wants to keep her smile bright and healthy. Finally, it's time for a bedtime story. Mia snuggles with her parents and listens to a fun story. Reading helps her feel calm and ready for sleep. And now it's time for Mia to sleep. She closes her eyes and dreams happy dreams. Tomorrow is a new day full of adventures. Good night, Mia. Good night, friends. Thanks for joining Mia's daily routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.